So, usapang budget phone tayo today, and I have here on my table is the Vivo Y01. And I heard that this phone is pretty affordable, pretty thin. So gusto ko i-share sa inyo ang aking first impression plus full unboxing experience of this phone. So tara, buksan natin. So, hi guys! Ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So, ang hawak na natin is a very plain white box. No nonsense. It's plain and simple. So, buksan natin ang phone na ito. So, like any other phone ni Vivo, pagbukas natin, there's some documentation plus warranty card. And a surprising jelly case included inside na I don't expect from a budget phone like this. Normally, ino-omit na ng mga manufacturer ito. But thanks to Vivo, since galante sila, meron pa rin tayong protection case. Ito, phone proper itself. Further inside the box, meron tayong micro USB cable, a basic 10 watts charger, and of course, may SIM ejector pin pa tayo. Wala na. So after natin makita ang full unboxing experience, it's time to take off this film. Yan. So this is the first glimpse of the Vivo Y01. And kita natin at the back, it's nice, elegantly designed. Parang may pagka 3D effect siya sa likod. And though this is a budget phone, nagbigay pa rin ng effort dito si Vivo. So right now, bibigyan ko kayo ng quick tour around this phone. Meron siya 8MP camera sa likod that supports face beauty, photo taking, video recording, time-lapse, and bokeh. Plus together with a LED flash. Ilalim ng phone, meron siyang loudspeaker, micro USB port, microphone in, and 3.5mm audio jack. On the side, meron siyang power button and volume rocker. Sa ibabaw, meron siyang SIM tray. And pag eject natin, makikita natin that there is triple slot here. 2 nano SIM plus 1 micro SD expansion. Plus, malinis sa kabila. Meron siyang 5MP na front-facing camera. Pretty thin ang kanyang side bezels, except that medyo makapal nga lang ang kanyang chin. Guys, itong Vivo Y01, meron siya 5,000 mAh of battery. Pretty massive, yet manipis and magaan. Meron din siya 6.51 Fullview display HD+. Na for me guys, very generous sa kanyang screen size, yet hindi ganun kang pangit ang kanyang quality. This device is also being powered by Android 11, FunTouch OS, 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of storage. Ang kanyang processor inside this one is a MediaTek Helio P35. Normally, ang ganitong phone na may ganitong presyo, makikita mo ang processor niya, kadalasan ay Unisoc. And by the way guys, ang phone na ito meron siyang multi-turbo 3.0 technology inside na pampabilis. To my surprise guys, itong phone na ito meron siyang bokeh lens na normally hindi mo siya makita on a budget device. Alam mo guys, medyo napawaw ako dito sa device na ito, Even though it's a budget device, feature pack siya, pati face unlock, meron din siya dito. Hindi siya kulang. Itong phone na ito, it is available in 2 colors. Either go for the elegant black or the sapphire blue. Both colors feel ko okay na okay siya. Alam mo ba guys na itong phone na ito, to my surprise, meron pa siya isang hidden feature na kakadiscover ko lang, Kaya na mag-support ng reverse charging na normally hindi mo na makita sa mga budget device. Meaning, this one can also act as a power bank na magsusupply ng power to your other devices. Now, bigyan ko lang kayo ng aking quick first impression on this one. And of course, you'll be expecting a lot more details from me on my full review. So this phone is pretty light and I can say na sobrang sarap niyang bitbitin. The screen size is big. I love it, the display. And grabe guys, imagine ang gaan, Tapos yung battery, 5,000 mAh of battery. I mean, this probably could be the thinnest, saka pinakamagaan na phone at this price point na meron 5,000 mAh of battery, in my opinion. So if you're watching videos on this phone, ganito ang itsura, And I love the display. Ang laki niya. Ang probably the only thing na hindi ko masyado gusto is medyo makapal ang kanyang baba. But of course, I cannot complain since it's just a budget device. Smooth naman ang kanyang browsing experience dito sa phone na ito. Even 60Hz ang kanyang screen refresh rate, no problem. Share ko lang sa inyo ilang quick indoor shots na nakuha ko using this phone. So ayan guys, nakita na aking quick first impression dito sa phone na ito. Impressed ako dito sa phone na ito with that price range. Grabe, feature pack siya. And some of those features na makita sa mid-range posts like the reverse charging is also available on this phone. So guys, kung gusto nyo malaman ang full performance na itong phone, abangan nyo aking full review plus the price reveal. Sasabihin ko lahat yan sa aking full review this coming week. So guys, kung nagustuhan itong video ito, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click nyo na rin ang bell icon para di naman miss sa mga future videos here sa aking channel. And so, ako nga pala si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?